So we didn't do a SoFi stock update video yesterday, so you know I can't go 2 days without making one, guys. So here's one for today, and mind you, SoFi is doing very well today. It's currently up around 1.7%, and it's about 2:55 p.m., so we're almost in power hour. And look at this, guys. Earlier in the day, it was up over $10 per share. We actually hit a high of $10.13 at about 10:45 a.m. So in this video, you guys know the deal. We're going to break down SoFi. We're going to go over some key levels, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But before we do that, don't forget to get your free money for MooMoo, up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. All you guys have to do is use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/MooMoo. And once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat. And fund your account at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, each up to $2,000. And listen to this, guys, the best part of the promo. Once you fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Expedia stock. So get on it, guys. Again, link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So again, it's about 3 p.m. right now, almost 3 p.m. So we're almost in power hour, which is arguably the most exciting part of the day. I mean, people sometimes think it's the morning, the first 30 minutes to an hour, 2 hours of trading. Others think, power hour. But either way, it's about 3 p.m. right now, and SoFi stock is looking pretty good. Like I said, it's up around 1.6%, and it's at what, $9.73 at the time that I'm making this video. And earlier in the day, we were over $10 per share, which means at one point we were up percentage-wise, let's see, about 6%, almost 6% on the day, which is really strong. You guys can see we ended up opening up at around 975, saw that first pump to about 1010. That was at about 9:45 a.m. on the East Coast. Then we saw that pullback, as you guys can see right here. Then we had that second pump, which then took the highs out from the first one. We hit 1013, and we've kind of been selling off, well, not really in the past hour and a half, 2 hours, but we did see a sell-off from around 11 a.m. to about 12:30, 12:45, which after that sell-off, we've been consolidating. You guys can see now we're pushing the mid-970s again. So by the looks of it, we took the highs out from yesterday, which again, yesterday I didn't make a SoFi video. I apologize about that, guys. But today we took the highs out from yesterday, which yesterday we peaked at 975. And by the looks of it, look at this. This is very interesting. Now we're holding 970, 975, like I said, as support, which again, that was the high from yesterday. So this looks pretty bullish in the short term. And the fact that we broke over $10, guys, that is very strong here for the bulls. And if I pull up the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see we're at, we hit a fresh high on this time frame, on the 10-day as well, you name it, on the 20-day. Let me pull it up and show you guys. We hit a fresh high. That's looking pretty good. And if I pull up, let me see here, maybe the 4-hour chart, now we're getting awfully close to the highs from back in the middle of June. You guys probably remember we hit over $10 back then. We hit about 1023. Then we ended up selling off, and that was about what, a month ago, over a month ago now. So we took about a month to get back to $10, and now are the bulls really about that life, guys? Are they really gonna push past 1025? Time will tell. I think we're probably going to do it. Of course, nothing's guaranteed. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, so keep that in mind. But I do believe bulls are going to push through. I mean, that's kind of my my feeling right now. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking this triangle right here that I just drew out, I think that could play out, no doubt. I think that could play out, and we could be going from 1025, towards $11, maybe even higher from there. You guys probably remember I've covered the 1-year chart, or is it the 3-year chart? Yeah, 3-year chart here on SoFi. After about $10, guys, we have a wide open gap to about 13.50. That's where this thing could go. And we have earnings coming up, which we've covered before, so we're not going to cover the estimates in this video. Maybe we will again, closer to the actual earnings date. But we have earnings coming up, I think the last day of July. That's right. The last day of July in the morning, SoFi's, set the report, which is about 12, I guess exactly, 12 calendar days from today. So what's going to happen leading into earnings? Are we going to get some sort of hype rally? or do we sell off? We'll see, guys. We'll see. I'm going to set my alert at 1025 right now. Let me do that. Mark is at we're above 1025. There we go. And we'll see how power hour goes as well. Now we're officially in power hour. It's about 3 p.m. So are we going to, if we did rally into close, guys, that'd be great. And when you're watching this video, it's going to be the end of the day. I think I'm going to upload this at about 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll see, and let me know in the comments, did we rally into close? If so, that'd be insane. That'd be a very good thing for the bulls, especially if they broke above $9.90 and especially $10. I don't know, though. $10, that might be wishful thinking. I mean, it's only, we only have an hour left, so 25 cents in an hour. Could it run that much? It could, but we'll see. We'll see. Time will tell. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, or let me know what it actually did in the comments down below. I'm very curious to see, and of course, let me know your thoughts, all that good stuff. And with that being said, guys, let me talk about maybe some other tickers here that are moving before we do wrap up this video. So some other ones that are moving today, we have Virgin Galactic up about 4.5%. Nothing crazy. It's up around 17 cents. It looks like we're trying to push, or it's trying to push back over $4 per share. And you guys can see this chart looks a little bit wonky. You could argue that there's a head and shoulders right here. You could also argue that we're holding this channel, which we kind of are, on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that. So let's see if we could start pushing past, let's say, 425. If we could start pushing past 425, 450, honestly, at that point, I would be, inclined to maybe hop in on this as a trade, personally. I don't own it right now as a trade, but I would consider it if we started to break that moving average, because at that point, we might start making our shot up to the top of this channel, being 550, 575, anywhere right there, right? And now that I'm looking at this, guys, Virgin Galactic is set to report earnings on the, let's see, the 1st of August. So the first day of August, we're going to be getting their earnings. I'm actually excited to see what those end up looking like. So that one's moving today. We also have Coinbase up. What else is new? I mean, I feel like this thing, ever since the SEC, episode, started, which we're not going to get into in this video, it's caused the stock to go up. I mean, I think it initially went down for a couple of days, but you'd think it would have kept going down, but no, it just shot right through the moon, and now we're at a high on the 4-hour chart, and today it's up over 3% again. It just keeps on trucking along, guys. Let me see what else here. We have CRM up around 3%. That's making a nice move. Now trading at a fresh high on the 4-hour chart. We have CrowdStrike up around 2.5%. This looks like it could be breaking out, guys. I'm going to set my alert at 162 on CrowdStrike. I'm actually glad I saw this for this video. Make sure to put it on your watch list, guys, because what I'm seeing right here, I don't know about you, but this looks like an ascending triangle, very bullish. All it has to do now is break 162 from there. I mean, guys, 170 plus could be around the corner. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 30,000 subs, guys, and it's completely free to subscribe. So do that down below. Hit that notification bell while you're at it. And do not forget to get your free money from MooMoo. This is the best promo right now by far. I'm telling you guys, all you have to do is use that link down below, or simply go to StockSurfS.com/MooMoo. And once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000 right off the bet. And if you fund your account at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And the best part of the promo is fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. Listen to this. You also get a free share of either Tesla or Expedia, which again, guys, best promo. This is the best promo. It's a no-brainer. So use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.